Hey everyone, thank you so much for joining me. I'm doing another collab with Temu and I loved working with them before. So I'm going to show you all of these really fun, awesome items I got. And if you're not familiar with Temu, they're just a company overseas and they offer free shipping and you can return up to 90 days. So it's really nice. So if there's something that you don't expect to be the way you want it to be, they're really good about all of that kind of stuff. And I'm going to link all of the items that I have today in the description, as well as the app. If you want to download the app, there's also a link there too. Okay, so guys, I don't even know where to start. So I did get a lot of organizational things for my room, as I showed before, and I got a lot of craft stuff. So I'll start with this. So I thought this little drawer was really cool because I need something like this. So when you pull these drawers out, which, sorry, because this angle here, they have these little compartments, and I thought it was great for like charms or maybe even little tidbits. Like this is also something I got from Temu, these office supplies. So even if I don't want to keep it in here, which I'll more than likely put it in my desk, but this is also another really great way to organize it if you want to keep it on your desk so you can stare at it and, you know, just reach it easier. So I got this though for my charms, and these are some of the charms that I ordered from Temu. There's a whole bunch of mixes, but I thought it would be nice to just separate it this way and put them in here. And I also got these charms too, which are really cute. So this one I got because it's more like spring and summer, and these are just the fun variations. So you can see kind of like how pretty they are. And I'm going to add like all my Halloween and, you know, Christmas charms that I got from them as well. And they just kind of just pull in really easy, and the drawer slides very easy, so no worries about that. They all just work efficiently. All right. I also got these little things. So this comes in this case, and they're the perfect size. And again, this is for like if some of my clips or little die pieces that I don't want hanging around, even like maybe glitter mixes, whatever it is that you use, and it just sits up, or you can have it in your drawer and like maybe label it here and pull it out. So love to that. I also got this. Okay, if you like ASMR sounds, this is the calculator for you. It only requires a AAA battery, and I was like, okay, this is so cute, and I just love it because you guys know I do a lot of measurements, so this is perfect for my desk here. I don't ever do the math on camera, but it's something I do. Now, okay, so I wanted to organize inside my desk a little bit, and I didn't realize I ordered 2 of these. So this one is a larger set. I believe it's like 18 or 19 pieces, and it comes with little, all these little sets come with these on it, so it can line your drawer. But there's just a whole bunch of different pieces here, and you can see that like all the different sizes. So if you're curious about size, you can see this, and they come with these, which are these sizes, and then it comes with this size too. So I'm going to kind of like just in these little smaller sizes, which are great for something like these too. Because I do like, the case is adorable, but in reality, I want access to all of my things, so I'm probably going to place them all like that. Maybe I can even do a little video showing how I kind of place all these in my desk. So anyway, as I was saying, I didn't realize I had 2 of these in my cart, and I must have ordered 2. So this was a smaller set, basically same concept, just smaller pieces. This was, let me see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 piece set. I think 8 pieces, and it's the same concept, but I guess now because I ordered 2, I can just put one in like maybe the ladies' room or the guest room inside the drawer. So it doesn't just have to be your craft room. Okay, and this is going to be a big fun haul, you guys. I got these awesome scissors. How pretty are these? So you guys know I'm always using my scissors. These are so pretty, and I'm just obsessed with them. And if you're wondering how they cut, let's do a little test strip. I tested it on a little sheet of paper, but they cut great. They're not like stiff. They cut, and you're gonna see me definitely using these in some of my videos. Okay, I'm running out of space here, so bear with me. Okay, here is a little punch, and I got this because it has the 3-hole punch in it for something like mini, if we do some mini things. And trying to see if I have something just to kind of show you. I guess I can test it on here. Actually, I'm going to do it on this side. So, and that punches so nice. That is smooth. It was, you saw how easy I did that. And you guys know I'm very honest about that. I love that. And this is great just to put in your album, your little journal album, scrapbooking, and you can just easily make something like this and just pop those little holes in it. I love this. And this is a great way also to make confetti because it has all this, and you can just punch triple instead of 1. This is going to be amazing to use. This was random, but because I have so many devices on my desk, I got these, which you stick on your desk and you place the cord. So that's kind of a random thing that I got. These are gorgeous. I had to get these washies because they're like this pretty foil color. And I knew these were going to be, oh my goodness, can't get this open, pretty in some of the albums. So if you're kind of wondering what they look like, especially I want to show you up close because it's hard when you're seeing online, but this is how they look. So pretty. And that's going to look really nice in the journals and things. Even this would be great inside of the like little, if you have room, you can put your washi in there too. Because then you're going to see it kind of through the window in the front. Okay, and I've got some fun, lots of stationery things too. Don't worry, I've got lots of crafty things too. So this is amazing because it's these little pens, but they come with all those refills, and I love the way this writes. I tested one of them. Can't remember which one it was. Let me see. So we've got these colors here, and it must have been the blue because the blue doesn't have, so if you aren't sure. So this comes pretty safe because they put these little red tips so that it doesn't dry out. But these write really pretty and smooth. So 2024, they write really pretty, and you can see the color. Just want to show you. So, and I'll be the tester here, right? Okay, this is going to blow your mind because this blew my mind. So this is a stapler. Yes, it is. But I want to show you what is so special about this. This stapler, it will rotate. So you can turn it to the side. So you know how if you have a paper and it won't fit because of this, it pops out. And you can change it so your paper can slide anywhere in there. So people who do junk journals and things like that, like you can go all on your paper now and do that. This is amazing. I never even knew this existed. So I had to share this with you guys because this is going to be so much easier to make little booklets and things. I mean, I know the old school ways you kind of like open it, but how cool is that? That just blew me away. I got these, oh, there's my battery, by the way, the AAA for the calculator. I just forgot to put it in. I got these gorgeous little texturized papers just because they have some really nice different textures in here, and you can see all the fun little, like just different, you know, texture for your albums and things like that. And this is cool because they're just these little tickets. I couldn't resist this. And these, I think, were only 99 cents. So, of course, you can make your own, but I just love this, and it comes with quite a few different tickets and things. And they're just so lovely. Even this little background here. And it's part of the package, but I will definitely use that in album. And I've got this awesome little rotating from my desk because it's like a Lazy Susan type thing. And I always have my tools, but mine doesn't spin, so this will be easier. And you guys probably won't hear me crashing all the time with this. I've got this awesome little pink trimmer. I'm excited to use that because it's just kind of small, and looking forward to something not so large on my desk. Some more of these little containers, but in a different style. This one doesn't have the case like the other one, but I'm telling you, I have so many different little mini things, you guys know, all over my desk, and this just helps keep it organized. Here's some fun. I've got all these different paper packs. I get a lot of questions on my paper pads, and these are the thinner type papers, but this one doesn't come in a pad. They come in like little single sheets. So I'm just ripping this so you can see it, just a few of them. But this is this style, and I've got some with dictionary lettering, which I love because I don't really have the heart to rip apart a book. So this, and they come in kind of different shades too. So it looks dark in the front, but you see how some of them are lighter. So it really just depends on your project, and you can see the tone changes a bit. So I've got the dictionary, the map, which I'll show you some of those too. Like I said, it's hard to see online when you're buying anything because they have the image, but I think it's better when someone can display it. So different little maps. Oh, look here. We've got the United States and just some really cool ones, even a little farm graph or just zoomed in. So there's that, if you're into like the travel looking theme. This one is more of a botanical, like an older botanical book, and this is probably my favorite one because I see so many people purchasing the botanical books, but like I said, I don't know if I have the heart to tear them apart. So this is awesome because I have them kind of already out for me, and these are going to make some really cute projects. And the music notes, which is neat. And of course, there's like different, so here, I could have just done that to show you instead of opening them. And then the newspaper ones for different newspapers. This is just kind of like little book pages, you know, I guess more technical older book pages. And this one was also another favorite of mine. So you have all like almost like a checklist type thing. So definitely going to enjoy that. These were just mini graph papers, and I don't want to waste a large graph paper, but these come in 2 packs, and this is just going to be fun to add to some of those journals and things that we do. I've got these fun little seed packets. I have been eyeing these for a minute and finally got them because, first of all, I could probably use them, but in my projects and real life, I got more of the tickets. They're just kind of a different color. And I got these last time, something like this, where they're just like paper packs of really just smaller mixed things. So you see the tickets and just lots of fun, really cool little details in here. But there's so many, and I just love them. Like, look at this. This is a whole pack. I can't remember how much this was, but again, everything will be linked. These little things here, believe it or not, these are washi stickers. So each one of these, you can just peel it and just kind of stick it on and layer it with some of your things. And they have almost like a, what do you call it? Translucent look to it. And I've got these cool little sticker books, which reminds me of a lot of, I'm sure you guys know the brand. And how pretty and fun are these? I love this. But the inspo must have definitely been from there, and I am obsessed. So I, of course, got 2 different ones. I got this one too. So that says, are these the same? These are not the same. Okay, I didn't think they were. So these are a little bit different. But I saw them and I didn't know which one to get, so I got that. And these I'm really looking forward to using. They are little ribbons, right? But they have a sticky track on them. So this is probably, I'm going to probably use these in my next project with something and add this on. But I got it in white, like a white color, an ivoryish color, and pink. So you can see the colors. These are going to be so much fun to use because you know what a pain it is. You have to like kind of hot glue gun it. So I'm excited about that part. These are just some more mini pieces. Yes, I did get a lot of junk journal type stuff. But these are just little itty bitty. Hold on. This is a pad actually, so I can do that. So it won't. But look at the minis. These are great for like an ATC or something. If you're doing little ATC cards, it's so cute. These are almost the perfect size with a little trimming. For my videos, I've got sticky notes galore, and I got these cute ones. You guys know I use these like crazy. I have to for all my measurements and things. And of course, I got more of these paper pads, but I got a bit more vibrant ones. Couldn't resist these flowers. I thought the flowers were like, whoa, so pretty. You can see the flip through. This is going to be lots of fun to use. And I got a few more. I've got this one here. This is a postcard booklet. So guess what? They're mini little postcards. Isn't that awesome? And the texture is a postcard. It's thick. It's not thin, okay? But this is like a whoa keeper. I'm so happy I got that. I saw it and I was like, huh, I wonder if it's going to be thinner, but they're not. They're thick ones. So that's one that I got. And I did get another one because, of course, I couldn't decide which one I wanted. So this is the second one. And, I mean, how do you pick between these, right? They are just, wow, gorgeous. So I have to think of something really cool to do with these things because they are just calling my name. Okay, and I've got some pet tape as well. So look at how pretty this is. I could not resist that. I know I have a lot of tape. I know that. Okay, but this one I had to get. So I am going to just switch over my camera because I have, I think, one more thing to show you, and it's a bit larger. So I think you guys are going to be excited about this one. I got it for kind of near my desk area. All right, everyone. So this is the finale piece, which is this fun little acrylic cart, and it comes in wheels, and this is a pretty small size. So it's not comparable to a Rascal cart size, for instance, but it is smaller and it's really light. It's simple to put together. I just kind of pop these wheels on and the stick and then the acrylic tray and just over and over. It was really easy. I did it myself. But for size reference, these are just some of the pads that I got. So you can see that they fit in here pretty well. You could add even like, and even in your pantry, it doesn't have to be your craft room, like maybe little coffee bar stuff or whatever it is. But some of the pads, and this is, again, so you know what size this is. This is a pad, so you can see how big it actually is. But I love this little thing. I planned it on just kind of being near my desk so I can pull it in and out when I have maybe some dies on the top or just little things like that. So that is it, you guys. I'm going to have everything kind of linked on the description and all that. And I just had a really good time with this haul and hope you guys like some of the choices. All right, guys, thanks so much.